this video, I will show you how you can use Canva brand kit template that is pre-made for you. And if you have purchased the template already, I want to thank you so much for your purchase. If you haven't done so, but you're interested in buying, I will leave the link in the section below so you can purchase it. When you purchase the template, you will receive a PDF file that you download to your computer and you open it and it looks like this. What we want to do first is register to Canva. So if you don't have an account on Canva, make sure you register. You can register for free. In this tutorial, we will use a free version of Canva, but also you can purchase a pro version that has a lot of benefits. So I recommend you to do so. I will leave the link below as well. If you want to, you can just follow the link in the document for registration if you haven't done so. So the next thing is you want to click on this link for the Pixie brand kit template. This is the template we are using for this example. When you click the link, this is what is shown. So a template created by Miriana Zota, that is me, was shared with you. Start designing now. What you do next, you click on use template. So here I'm going to show you different ways you can use this template and how you can edit it to your liking so you share it with your employees, agencies you're working with, just to show your branding and your visual identity of your brand. In this document, I've created some logo variations for free. You can of course use your own and you can just erase, just click on them and you erase them. And then you just go to uploads and upload your logos. This template was made for hair salon. Of course, you can use this logo for some different industries, maybe fashion related, or a nail salon. In this case, we use a hair salon, so you can use these logos I provided for your brand. You can edit them, change the font, change the name, of course, change the colors. You can play around with it as you wish. I've also included as a bonus a favicon that you upload on your website. You can change the font, the letter, the color, the background as well. Let's do an example with logos. What you can do if you like, for an example, the middle logo and you want to use this one, you just click on it. For now, all the elements of the logo type have been grouped. That means that when you move around, you see all elements move together so that you don't lose the layout of the logo. If you want to do some edits, you just click on ungroup and you edit any element you would like. If you want to move it to a different document in Canva, or if you want to download it as PNG with transparent background, you can also do that, and I'm going to show you how. In Canva Free, you don't have that ability to remove the background as you have with Canva Pro, but there is a way around it that you can use it as transparent background. Okay, so let's choose this logo and we're going to copy it and create a new document. We just want to paste the design into this new document, and as you can see, the logo has been copied. You can resize it and play around with it here if you want to. If not, you can just save and share and click download as PNG and download it. If you want to remove the background because the downloaded file will have a white background, you just go to remove.bg website, you upload the logo and the background will be gone, so you will have a transparent background. Okay, that was another bonus. You can use this one, as I said, or you can just upload your own. Here are some typographies you can use. You can just copy and paste style. So if you want to just copy the style of the font, you just go here, copy style, and then when you write something, let's just play around with it, and here we can just see it already changed. to the size and the font that we copied. You can of course change the font to your branding font you're using. And then we have color palette. With color palette, you can of course use this one. What I would suggest if you don't have defined color palette already is just to upload some photos that you like and the colors that you like, so then you can with the mood board choose the colors for your branding. When you choose one, here is just hex color. You can add your RGB color or Pantone color. You just change here the color to that you want. You can, for example, use black and then change the hex color to black. The black one is just zeros, but if you don't know the hex code, you just go to the color, and when you go on, you will see the hex number labeled below, and you can just change that. Yeah, and then you can download it, you can print, you can use it as a template and share it with your employees. You can play around with it as you wish. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.